Hey DentureFit family, Natalie here. Today, let's talk about exercising your cheeks for a smoother denture adjustment. Exercising the main muscle in your cheeks, the buccinator muscle, will make the adjustment to dentures easier and more comfortable. The buccinator muscle is used to chew, but also it's used to blow, whistle, suck, and most importantly, smile. By exercising this muscle both before and after you get your dentures, you'll have more control over the food you eat. Plus, it'll help you show off your beautiful new smile. Don't worry, you can exercise your cheeks at home. A simple exercise you can do is to slowly open your mouth wide, like a lion roaring, and hold this pose while practicing deep breathing for 30 seconds. Another great exercise is to do an exaggerated smile. This will tone your buccinator muscles, but also improve your mood. Regularly practicing these exercises will make a big difference in your denture experience. Have any favorite cheek exercises? Share them with me in the comments. Till next time, smile like no one's watching. Bye!